Today, I am going to discuss uses of before, after and between for two-digit numbers. So, I'll just have this screen and I'm writing uses of before, for, after, and between two digits number, two digit numbers, two between 1 minute. Numbers oblique numerals. And obviously, I have already mentioned that the two-digit number starts two-digit numbers starts from 10 to 99. That is very important. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and it will goes on up to 98 and 99. Here again I am just using the ones and tens, and its importance I will tell you later on. So this is ones, O, T, O, T, O, T, O, T, O, T, and here O, T, O, T. I will suggest the class 1 students first write O and then T, not TO, because it is a very bad practice to write TO. Now, again, I am telling you the importance of tens and ones. For example, suppose 110, 1T is equal to 10. Mention them that 1T means 1, 0, and here write OT. Then 2T means 20, O and T. Now 3T means 30, O and T. 4T is equal to 40, O and T. And carry on up to 90 can be written as 9T. I am just getting the reverse one. Means 1T is equal to 10 and 10 is equal to 1T. Because of that here I have written 90 is equal to, not 90, 90 is equal to 90. So this is very, very important parameter. Now again, once you are going for ones, then similarly 1 O means 1, 0, 1. 2 O means 0, 2. Here O, T, O, T, O, T. Because in a ones, tens is 0. Then similarly you go for 3O is equal to 3O is equal to 0, 3. Then 4O is equal to 0, 4. For making a difference between 0 and O, I am just rewriting O as this. To O. So there will not be confusion. 4O. Clear? So it will be clear that this is O. So similarly, it can go up to 9O is equal to 0, 9, O and T. This definition, this is not a definition, this is the fact. Ask the students to practice so they can remember always that 1T means 10. 1O means 1 because it will be useful for addition and subtraction. Now, I will give you the example. What is the meaning of before, after and between? Example. See below 3 number, 3 2-digit number, numbers. I'm giving the example, and I'm making a block. One, 2, 3. Now, here I'm making 83, O and T. Then 84, O and T. And then 85. If children know the counting, so very easily they can say 83, 84, 85. Now question is, which one is before, which one is after, which one is between? So just see, this 83 can be referred as before 84. Before means पहले. अब देखिए, अब एरो का डायरेक्शन जो है, if arrow direction is in this way, so this is descending order. D, S, order. From right to left. Right to left. Then this 85. 85 is after 84. Now, if you just go for this, from 84 to 85, it is ascending order. These are the very important things one has to tell the students कि जब घटेगा तो descending order, जब बढ़ेगा तो ascending order, because this term will be used later on with the examples. Then question comes this 84. 84 is between 83 and 84. सिंपल भाषा, दो बच्चे बैठे हैं, उसके बीच में जो भी लड़का होगा, इन बिटवीन 2 boys or 2 girls. Now, I will give you some question to write before, after, in between. For practice, and I can give some examples also. So, I'm just here, I just want to rewrite. This is just write 1 O. These are very important term which is I am going to use from class 1 to class 8. So be careful. Now question is, question 1. And for convenience, in a book it is written as Q1. Now write the number before the number given in the following table. You ask the students to do this practice, and I always suggest that ask the student to make a block as I am doing, because once they will understand, so it will be practice for the good handwriting in math. Just say this is one block. I have divided into two parts. In the vertically, this is horizontally, then 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make 5, 6 as you want, but generally 4 is sufficient to understand this problem. So here I am putting 11 OT, then 15, then 20, then 25. This is one table. Then here I am making another. One, 2, 3, 4. So here again 44, 48, 50 and 61 OT. Third one, लाइन ड्रा में कंजूसियाई नहीं करना चाहिए, ध्यान रख लीजिए। बच्चों को जनरली चिंता होता है कि हमारा पेज खत्म हो जाएगा। नो, अब देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4, then 70, then 75, then 79, then 80. Then again fourth one. 1, 2, 3. Here 91, 95, then 99, then 70. Here O and T. Last one. 1, 2, 3. So here 69, then 55, then 45, then 35. You can make as much table as possible. So ask the student to write the number before. If you know the counting, just see. So he will understand that 44 will be after 43 or 43 will be before 44. So here just I am giving the example 4, 3 is the before two-digit number of 44. So this is the one question practice. The second question, which is known as the after, I will again do this one. I can also write 1 को मिटा के 2 लिख दें फिर no. Always ask the students to rewrite complete, just like question 2. Here 1 O and this one. Question 2. Write the number after the number given in the following box. You can say following. You can also say following table, but table box means same thing. So just here I am repeating the same number which is given earlier for answering before. So it will be convenient for students to say, for example here 11 O T 11, 15, then 20, then 25. They should write here. And then the second, 3, then O T 44, 48, 50, and then 61. Third example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then O T 71, 75, 79, and then 80. Then another O T then 91, 95, 99 and 70. O, T, O, T. Now question is after. So in counting they should know the after means after 11 the 12 number will come into the picture. So they should write all these things. Another example I am giving you. Is 65, 55, 45 and then 35. O, T, O and T. So these are the 5 examples and teachers can make so many examples. So a student have the practice to understand what is the meaning of before and what is the meaning of after for any number, whether it is single digit or 2 digits. Now I will give the example for writing the between. So I am just deleting this one. Very carefully I am deleting this one and this should have the practice for the student. Generally क्या होता है कि लड़के लिखते हैं रबड़ लेके बीच में क्वेश्चन मतलब लग देते हैं जो है. सो रबड़ का यूज मिनिमम करें और मैक्सिमम जो है समझ करके लिखें. क्वेश्चन 3. अब देखिए, अब now this example is to write the between the 2 numbers. So question becomes write the number between 2 numbers. अब यहाँ नंबर्स कह रहे हैं तो न्यूमरल समझ लीजिए और 2 डिजिट नंबर होना चाहिए जो 10 से लेकर के 99 तक है जो है. अब इसमें हम एग्जांपल दे रहे हैं जो है कैसे करना है. अब इसमें 3 बॉक्स बनाना पड़ेगा जो है. वन और ये 2. I am using the same number which I have given in class 1 or a question 1 and question 2. Just here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am using a 10 O T. Then 12 O T. Here you write also O T. 14, 16. Then 19, then 21. Then 24 and 26. You can extend also, there is no problem. For 4 and 5 doesn't make difference. Then another example. अब 4 ब्लॉक के बजाय लेके चलते हैं मैं 5 ब्लॉक बनाता हूं. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Just here 47, 49, 49, 51, 60, then 62, then 69, then 71, then 74, then 76. I have increased because you can do also. You can have a 3 also, 2 also, 1 also in a question, in examination. Then the third. Here 78, 80. 79, 81. 90, 92. 94, 96. 98, 100. O, T, O, T, O, T, H. I have not written for simplifications. Now go for another. I am again drawing 4 columns. Or let us say 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. 69, 71. 64, 66. And 44 and 46. Why I have taken the different means different question table can be made according to the question paper. So one should not stick that there should be only, for example, we can go for 2 also, make this one. Two also. चलो 3 भी बना देते हैं, इसके भी बना देते हैं. जैसे 43, 45, फिर आपका जो है 54, 56, anyone 31, 33. Make O, T, O, T, O, T. So after doing this exercise, the student will understand the meaning of before. Before means it is decreasing. After means it is increasing. Or in between means it is between 2 numbers. Or you can give the example for the student sitting on the chair that this is the Anit, this is the Rohit, and in between Sham is sitting. So understand between. Also, before, after in the sitting room, it is very difficult because it is increasing and decreasing. So, between best example is sitting arrangement of the student in the class 1. Thank you very much.